You're getting a hot tub. Yay! Hold up, because getting it going is not just a plug and play situation. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical joins us to talk about proper installation. Okay, a hot tub sounds fun. I guess we can't just plug it in, huh?
Nope, doesn't just work like that. Doesn't plug into a regular outlet. You gotta have the proper setup for it, for sure.
And so why should we use an electrical contractor to do that?
Well, I mean, number one, most people don't know how to do that on their own. I certainly wouldn't. Our electricians would do that for me as well. But yeah, no, it's not just, oh, the cord comes out of the box and plugs into the wall. Obviously, they're more power than that. To get a little technical, instead of 120 on a regular outlet, it's 240 volts. So you're gonna have to have a dedicated circuit for that.
So obviously safety is a concern.
Well, safety, yeah, would certainly be a big concern, and having a proper licensed electrician to do that is very important. With any of the upgrades in the house, I mean, obviously you want to make sure it's done right. One, so it works well, works properly, efficiently. You don't have issues with it for the life of whatever equipment that you're installing, in this case a hot tub. But certainly from a safety issue, I mean, if that's not done correctly, then we all know the damage that electrical concerns can cause. And from a home insurance standpoint, I mean, you know, if it's not done right, if it's not contracted, licensed, permit, inspected, things like that, then sometimes you can cause yourself some more trouble.
Yeah, so liability, this would make sure your home is up to date and liable for it.
Right. I mean, you want to make sure that all those guidelines are followed to you know, that you're covered in the event of a situation. But of course, that's talking on the negative side. More importantly, just as a homeowner and you buy this new awesome piece of equipment that you want to really enjoy, then one, you want to make sure it works. You want to make sure it works well and efficiently, and you don't have issues with it working sometimes and not all the time. And if that's not done properly with anything electrical, if you don't do it well, then it's pulling power from somewhere else in your house. You're robbing it from somewhere else. So if, let's say, the kitchen appliances are on and then the hot tub doesn't work, or vice versa, then certainly you want to be able to use it when you want to use it.
Yeah, and place it wherever you want to place it, and then obviously
and place it where you want to place it. Yeah, because most homes aren't set up to add a convenience like this, and so to have that proper outlet where you want it, then you want it cosmetically ran, and versus trying to fish it around the house somewhere, then those conveniences can happen and can be very cosmetic, but obviously take some skilled electricians to be able to do that.
Well, and we know you have plenty of skilled electricians to help us.
We have those.
Bobby, thanks so much for being here. Now I think we all want to get a hot tub.
Let's get a hot tub.
You can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.